This is the great work of the city of Greater Sudbury. For over a week and a half, we've had a snowfall, and we still have a huge buildup of ruts. Like like it's built up so big that there's a girl that just rolled her truck right over there. She got caught on the ice. Like there's like a 3-4 inch difference right there. It's crazy. Well, this is the newest project. Got to do some body work. Hammer this A-pillar out so we can get a new windshield in it. Hey Travis.
Hello, Dal.
Yeah, he's a
Sunday nighter.
Yeah, just looking. Was looking for that word that means you come around all the time. Fuck's sakes. Couldn't even think about it. Alright, so we're about an hour and a half deep into this fucking Toyota.
Fender.
Yeah. The fender was an asshole. I didn't know there was so many bolts holding a fucking tiny little piece of tin. Well, I think I could straighten that out. But anyways, at Riva's Radical Rides we came up with a new technology here. It's very revolutionary. It's called the peel and go windshield. So you just peel her back and you fucking go at her. So now I'm gonna take the choppy saw and I'm gonna cut this line right out, peel this back, hammer this in so we can get a straight body line again, and then I'm gonna fold that back over and tack that all up, and that should actually do a pretty decent job, I think. But find out. Alright, I'm a little further along on this Toyota project. Everything actually looks pretty goddamn good, line wise. There's a few little waves or whatever we're not going to worry about. The guy's not super picky. There's still a little dent there. I don't think that was the big deal. The big deal was just to, get a windshield back in it, straighten out the box, and so far I've done that. There's one big dent right there that I kind of reached in and have a little bit of a hard time getting at, but So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold a piece of tape over itself to not create like a line. My buddy Jeff Scarrow showed me that. You bend a piece of tape in half and you basically create like a, like it'll just mist. It won't make like an actual hard line. So that way, I've sanded from here up. I wet sanded the clear here so that I can shoot another coat of clear on after. But we're going to shoot the silver up here and there, and I'm going to show you how I tape that. Alright, you can see what I meant about folding the tape over. So this way it's not going to give us a hard line, so I could wet sand into the paint and then blend better. And then once the paint dries, we're going to wet sand the clear all the way up to the top, and then do the same thing, blend the clear into absolutely everything. We're driving to the windshield place roadkill style. I've got the window taped up over there. I just hope air doesn't come in and shards the glass don't go in my eyes. Hey, I figured I'd show you guys these. We picked these up off Sandy. The square body Chevy, I helped out pull the motor and tranny, and he gave me the tranny. Well, we traded some parts that he needed. So we've now got some wheels and tires for Abby's truck. Yay! Well, the loader repairs are off to a good start. We ditched the fenders and contrary to what the old man says, I say we leave them off. I don't feel like building a new set. Do you think I should build a new set?
I don't know.
I'd say no. They're pretty crusty, and I mean, for the amount of traveling we do, which is none, I think we'll be fine. So we got a lot of leaks to fix, got a lot of rust to fix. I pulled the carpet and the whole floor is pretty crusty. The floor is pretty crusty. I got to work with the pedals a little bit because the brake doesn't seem to come back up, and same with the throttle, it sticks. Although I'm pretty sure. Hey, you want to buy me a tire? Yeah, there's a few little leaks here and there, but we got a whole bunch of filters ordered. The shitty part is, see that? That's water. We got water in the brake fluid. It's fucking awesome. It's fucking awesome. So basically got all new filters. Just drained the oil, the engine oil. It's black as fuck. It's time for it to be changed. Just tightened the alternator belt. It was a little bit loose. I don't know. Pretty much just gonna give it a good overhaul. You know, we rigged up a pump that doesn't even belong to this machine in this machine because the original one cracked and we couldn't find a replacement. So there's something totally made up in there, and it's basically like buttoned together, not poorly, but you know, it could be better. So yeah, engine doesn't seem to have any leaks though. That's good. Of course not.
Oh, okay.
We scored a motor for a frame. Trade these. I'm going to use this manifold on the 47 project, because that way I can either put this turbo, or I want to try to find a 3rd gen turbo. We got the other loader out of hibernation to do the work, because obviously the other one's apart in the shop. Ugh. Don't forget to subscribe. This is with the pedal assembly and the loader for the throttle all rebuilt, which looks good. Looks good. We're gonna stab her in there since I have the help of Alex before he has to go to bed, because he's got to work. Damn. I'm gonna have to drive one of these things tomorrow too, because it's fucking snowing like hell.
Yep.
Who's this weirdo with a Cummins in my yard? Brand fucking new. Who could be the owner of this truck?
Hello.